Good morning all of you. Today I am going to present the topic invitation writing. Extending invitation to our near or dear ones on the occasion of birthday party, marriage party or any occasion, important occasion of the school, musical fiesta, annual function, silver jubilee. So on a special occasion we draft an invitation. So I am going to tell you there are two types of invitation, printed and not printed. Printed and not printed. In printed invitation we draft a card, we print a card because it is very special occasion, especially marriage or birthday party or any important occasion that we can't write a letter. So we draft some important cards for the occasion. But in not printed, we write it as a letter or social letter. We can say formal letter, formal social letter. It means on the occasion of school function, if we invite a chief guest, so we will not print a card only for one person. We send a formal letter to him or her. So that's why there will be use of formal letter. The format of formal letter will be written in short. But when we draft a letter or when we print an invitation, we have to keep in our mind only one thing, the 5 W's. 5 W's should be there. 5 W's means who, whom, what, where and when. We have to keep in our mind the 5 W's. It means who, whom, what, where and when. Who is host? Host means who is going to invite. Whom? Invitees. Invitees. And what? What is the occasion? What is the occasion of? And where? Where is the venue? The venue, when, date or time. So only 5 things, 5 W's we have to keep in our mind. That host, invitees, occasion, date, time and venue. So there should be limited words, only 50 words. Word limit is there. In very short and limited sentences should be there if we draft a printed invitation or not printed invitation as a letter. So there is an example of printed invitation or the occasion of musical fiesta. If we print an invitation, so the host, first thing is who. It means who is going to invite. The principal, staff and student of Saraswati Vidya Mandir Kosikala. Who is the host? Principal, staff and student. They are going to send you the invitation. And whom? It means all the parents, all the people who belong to the school. So I am going to invite them. So whom means invitees. So I have to send this invitation to them. What is the occasion? The third thing is occasion. Occasion is musical fiesta, musical celebration, musical function is there in the school. So musical fiesta. Fiesta means occasion, function. So musical fiesta and date, time and venue. Venue is already written, Saraswati Vidya Mandir Kosikala, and date and time is written here. After that, the most important thing, if the program is related to the school, the chief guest should be invited. So the name of the chief guest should be written here. It is compulsory to write. After that, at last we write RSVP. It is a idiomatic word in French language. It means respond please. So in RSVP it is a abbreviation. So here we have to write the address or mobile number. That is very important, because at this address, at this mobile number, the person who will attend the function, it is his moral duty that he will or she will attend the function or not attend the function. He will inform you at this address. So it is very important part of writing. So this is the format of invitation, printed invitation, but not printed invitation. Formal letter should be there, but the 5 W's should be written in formal letter also. There is a particular format in printed invitation, but there is a particular letter. In this type of letter, only formal language will be written, but date, time and venue should be written in the formal letter also, and host and invitees will also be there. For example, if we write a formal letter, suppose that I am going to invite the chief guest, Mrs. Smriti Irani, as a chief guest. So I will not print a letter, I will not print an invitation, only one invitation. It will not be printed. I will write a letter to Smriti Irani, because I will ask her that she will accept the invitation or not. So in that condition, we write a formal or not printed invitation. So that's why this part is very important for 12th standard, because every word is important, because on the basis of that, on the basis of this format, the division of the marks will be there. 1 plus 2 plus 1 means 1 mark for format, 2 marks for content and 1 mark for expression. Means format should be written in this way, content should be exact and correct, and nothing should be left. After that, 1 mark for expression. So that's why everything is important, especially the format is written here. So I hope that you will understand the invitation. Thank you. Have a nice day.